Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to teach you how to cross the roundabout and how to do observation. So first thing, whenever we going to roundabout, first thing we need to give way to our right side traffic. If no one on the right side, then you don't need to wait. Just slow down your car and go. So whenever any roundabout we turning left, you need to give a signal left and look at the traffic and go. For going straight, you don't need require any signal. When we turning right from the roundabout, you need to give right signal. And whenever we making U-turn from the roundabout, you need to still give your right signal on. So let's start. We do some practical. So as you can see, I'm approaching the roundabout. I'm going to turn right. So I need to give right signal on. I'm looking on my right side. I just slow down my car. There is no one there. So I don't need to stop. Just slow down. Look at your right hand side. If no one there, just keep going. So next I'm going to approach next roundabout, and this roundabout I have to do U-turn. So for U-turn you need to give your signal right, and I'm start to look on my right hand side. Is no one coming, so I don't need to wait. Just slow down and I'm keep turning, and when you approach the third point, then you need to give a signal exit and keep going. The next roundabout I'm going to turn right, so I need to give signal right. And this is the good view on this roundabout. I'm start observing the traffic on right hand side. So now there is a truck, but it's too far from me, so I'm good to go. So next roundabout I'm going straight, and I start to look on my right hand side, but I don't need to give any signal. So the car is coming, signal right on, so I have to wait. And now this car, there was no signal, so this car gave me the good opportunity to go. So friends, next roundabout I'm going to turn right, and this is the big roundabout, so I have to be on my right hand side lane, and I give my signal right. So in this roundabout, I need to look the traffic on my right hand side, and same time I'm looking the traffic who's coming from straight. So now car is very far, so I'm good to go. I stay on the right hand side. Roundabout, I'm going to turn left, so same I stay on the left hand side lane and signal left, and I'm starting to look on my right hand side traffic. So if car is there, then I need to wait, giving way to a right hand side, and now all clear. So we're going to approach next roundabout. So this roundabout I'm going to make U-turn, so I need to give you my right signal on, and I'm start observing traffic on the right side. So no one there at the moment, so I'm keep turning. And finish. So whenever we're approaching the roundabout, you need to look your right hand side traffic, plus same time you need to look the traffic who's coming from the straight and their signals on. So reason is why, if someone is coming from the straight and there is no signal on, so it means he's going straight, and he gonna give you good opportunity to go, because he gonna block the traffic on your right hand side. So make sure You look at the traffic light, there's signal. And I hope you like my video and learn something about the roundabout, how to observe and give way. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.